Hello world! Thanks for joining in and welcome to CodeBox. In this quick tutorial, we will be walking through how to do copy, cut, and paste in JavaScript. If you want to follow along, the code download is on the CodeBox website. Link in the description box below. Alright, let us start with copy first. Begin by creating a dummy HTML text field and button. Then to do a copy in JavaScript, there are only two simple steps. Get the value from the text box. Then put it into the clipboard. Optionally, we can also specify what to do after copying. To copy text from an HTML element, it is pretty much the same process. Let's create a dummy HTML paragraph and button first. The JavaScript is entirely the same, except for using document.innerText instead. Moving on, there are no so-called direct ways to do cut in JavaScript. But we can simply clear the text field after copying. Finally, paste is just as straightforward. As usual, we will create a few dummy HTML elements first. To do a paste in JavaScript, there are also two simple steps. Get the text from the clipboard. Then put it into the HTML document. Optionally, we can also specify what to do when paste fails. Take note that the user needs to grant access permission to the clipboard. The JavaScript paste will fail if it is not done so. With that, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want to learn more. See you in the next one.